In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment form to your Google site in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to integrate an efficient and simple payment system directly into your site. Whether you're running an online store, collecting donations, or setting up subscriptions, this method will serve you well. So, let's dive into the process. First, head over to Elfsight. You can navigate to their site using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll find a range of applications that you can embed on your website. We are particularly interested in the PayPal button, but first you'll need to click on Catalog to explore their offerings. Next, use the search bar in the catalog to type in PayPal. This will help you locate the specific tool we need for creating the payment form. Once you see the PayPal button in the list of search results, click on it. This widget will allow your website visitors to complete financial transactions seamlessly. Moving forward, you'll need to select a template that matches your site's design and needs. There are various templates available, so take your time to choose the one that suits your preferences. After you've made your decision, click on Continue with this template to proceed with customization. Now enter your PayPal email address. This is crucial as it links the payments directly to your PayPal account. Be sure to double check the email address to avoid any errors in payment processing. Following this, you have options for the payment type. You can choose whether you want the widget to facilitate checkouts, gather donations, or manage subscriptions. Customizing the widget settings is the next step. Click on the localization option to adjust the language and region settings according to your target audience. After that, configure the currency settings. This ensures that transactions occur in the correct denomination, making it easier for your customers to make payments. You'll also need to set a price, which involves specifying the amount in USD. If you are selling products, remember to adjust the shipping price accordingly. Additionally, decide on the appropriate tax type, as taxes can vary based on location and product type. When you're done with these adjustments, click Publish to create your widget. On the pricing page, choose the free option by clicking Select. This allows you to use the tool without any upfront costs. Then click on Copy Code to grab the embed code for your newly configured PayPal widget. Next, go to your Google site where we'll insert this code. Choose the page where you wish to add the payment form and click on Embed. In the options that appear, click on Embed Code and paste the code you previously copied. Finally, click Next to preview the payment form and then Insert to place it onto your Google site. Now you have successfully added a payment form, allowing users to make easy, secure transactions. That's all there is to it. Remember to test the form to ensure everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.